What is up, guys? And today I'm going to be unboxing this really cool Super Saiyan 4 GT Gogeta figure. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I just have to open it first. It's relatively simple to open. Yeah, it's really easy to open. Alright, so let me just... There we go. There we go. Right. Got one piece of tape. Now I just gotta get the other ones. Alright, let's just get this open. Like this. I've almost got it. I've almost got it. And then go. There. Right. Alright guys, I've almost got this open. There we go. There we go. There we go. I got it open. I got it open. Ooh, that box right there. Yeah, that is the longest box ever took me to open. To be honest. Alright, so this is the easy part. So now I just gotta take everything out of the box. Yeah. This out. And then just open this up. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Now this looks amazing. Oh yeah, this looks really cool. Ooh, okay. Here it is, guys. Now I just have to put the tail on it. That never takes long. Alright, there we go. So here's the full figure in the light, so I can show you it in the light. Here it is. This figure is really epic, and I really like this. So I, unboxed the figure, so this will be the end of the video. So guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.